piloting this airplane today is Scott Scooter Yoak. The aircraft name, Quicksilver. The P-51, known as the 102-day wonder, from design to first flight in October of 1940, this aircraft was a miracle. Was it? Notice on the down line, you heard that aircraft coming in with its max speed of 440 miles per hour. You heard a whistle.
Right up to it, down that roadway a little bit, and then up rather than just walk across. It added another foot of miles. Here he comes.
You'll notice the last maneuver performed by Scooter in the aircraft was the 16-point roll, his tribute to Bob Hoover. The aircraft itself, flown by Scooter, as we mentioned before, he's a 2008 graduate of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University with a major in aviation maintenance science. He takes care of this family-owned P-51 by himself.
Look at this. Look how low it is.
Many of the maneuvers that you'll see Scooter perform today were used by the cadets flying the aircraft to demonstrate their ability to fly the aircraft into combat. This aircraft is powered by the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. However, earlier iterations of the aircraft were powered by the Allison, but the Merlin was necessitated based upon the fact of high altitude missions, and the Allison ran out of air at that altitude.
Look at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, to open our show today, the legendary P-51. Beautiful wheel landing right here on the grass. You'll hear the popping sound too as the aircraft passes by. What that is unburned fuel in the exhaust pipes. The exhaust stacks are actually about 4 inches long inside the aircraft. In order to get the performance out of the aircraft, what they did is they made those exhaust stacks